Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with this unboxing video for Globleland.com, and this is my second time doing this video. Um, so I'm just gonna do it over and just go over everything. So I only have like 3 dies to share. I will have, of course, everything in the description box. You have a coupon code. There is the links for these items and the website. So the first item is this die here. And this makes kind of like a little envelope pocket. Now, I've already took out the things that was on the inside. I've actually already took it apart. But you get a lot of little extra goodies in this set. Look at that little bow. I can't wait to put that little thing together. And then some flowers, and some hearts. And then this is the actual how it cuts out. So it makes a little pocket. So once I do my project shares, I will put it together so you can see how it really looks. But these fold in, and this folds, and this folds, and then it's, you can kind of get the shape there. But I will be back with my project shares as always. So that is that die. Now this next die is this envelope, and it also comes with a lot of pieces. So this is the envelope here. And then you have your, could be a layering piece, or it could be your liner for the inside. See, it fits right there. And then you have 2 layering pieces. One is this like little squiggly line, and then you have this one here. And then you have some hearts. So that's really, it's really nice when you have these smaller dies like this, but you have all of these little extras. That I love that. Now this next one is this one here. Now, like I said, I had to redo this video. So, like I said before, I didn't really know that it came with this many. And then I went back and looked. And yep, it did. It came with 10 of these. These are like the mini envelopes for like embellishing. So these are really adorable. So, I apologize for having to redo this video, but I was doing a giveaway for one of these in the last video, so I apologize if you've already commented, but we're going to just do it again. But I had, that video is gone. So, I was going to have you to comment on all 3 of my Globleland videos, but since I'm having to do it over, just leave a comment in this video, and I'll pick a winner. So let's just say, just use the word envelope in your comment, and that'll let me know that you want to be entered. So this is the only video that you'll have to comment on, and just use the word envelope. And that is it, you guys. So like I said, make sure you check the description box. Check out Globleland.com. Don't forget to use the coupon code for some savings. And that is it. I will be back with some project shares. And I thank you all for watching. And I will see you on the next video.